Hey guys, today's video is showing you two different units in the $600,000 price range. The first one is located in Bed-Stuy, Brooklyn, and the second is in the Bronx. But I want to let you know that these are not really comparable as they are in two different, not only neighborhoods, but two different boroughs. Good morning guys. After a 2-hour train ride from Manhattan, I have made it to Stuyvesant Heights, which is technically part of Bed-Stuy, but renamed Stuyvesant Heights. We are on Herkimer Street to see the first unit. It is, I believe, a 1-bedroom, 1-bath duplex with an office. So I'm excited. This is like exciting for me as well because I never see apartments in Brooklyn as far as like for sale. So I'm on this tour just as much as you guys are. So let's head over to meet the agent. So I have Jonathan. He is one of the agents for the company, and he is going to, he doesn't want to be on camera, but he's going to talk us through what this listing is. So I'm going to turn this camera around and then I'm going to show you guys the listing while he tells you all the specs for the apartment.
We're at 511 Herkimer. We're currently in apartment 7, which is the last apartment available for sale. This unit is priced extremely well at $665. We're facing south,
which is hard to get unobstructed views facing south.
You've got a super bright living space, an open kitchen with Bosch appliances. The island, you could do a nice dining table here to separate the two areas. You've got a paneled hidden dishwasher here.
Oh, that's cool.
Bosch is super quiet, really nice and sleek. All right, you're gonna go into the master bedroom here.
Okay, so we've got a closet, we've got the built-in AC.
We've got ductless AC and heating controlled by a remote on the wall.
So we have 2 sliding doors opening to a closet.
Back. Before we go upstairs, the bathroom, rain bath shower. And something to note about the floor is actually radiant heating.
These days you can't get away without putting a washer dryer in an apartment.
All right, let's head up to the roof. This is considering the office space up here. But you could use it, you could put a day bed up here and have it as a little bit of like a guest space when people come in and pay over.
Yeah.
You could put a bar up here.
Ooh.
And then kind of have it be like a recreational area out to the outside, your own private terrace.
Heading out to the private outdoor space. You get like, I want to say a full 360 view. Yeah, a full 360 view. Before we start, I want to thank Dale so much for letting me do this tour. I just like contacted him a little bit earlier today because I wanted to see something in the Bronx. But I want to say thank you, Dale, who's standing right outside, who doesn't want to be on camera, for letting me tour this place. Starting downstairs, we have this huge open living room. And this is probably my favorite part of the house because I love big living rooms. I can deal with a really small bedroom because I don't really stay in the bedroom too much, but like living room, it's where it's at for me. And it has this little cubby underneath the stairs, so you can put extra storage there. It also has a washer dryer hookup. And then let's head to the kitchen. It has that big range stove that I love, even though I'm not gonna be doing too much on it, and a huge refrigerator. This is the second bathroom in the house. So you have the one bathroom that's upstairs that you can share, or you can just use it as a master. And then everyone else can come down here and use this second bathroom. And then right off of the bathroom, you have this bonus room. So it can be used as a playroom, or if you wanted to use it as storage, but it goes directly out to the backyard. So this is the backyard. It is a really big backyard. It definitely needs some work. Most builders, when they build stuff, they leave the backyard as is, so you can kind of put your own touch to it. Some people like grass, some people want to make it all concrete, but I would do a big pergola with some seating, maybe a fire pit, and just a small section in the back that would be like a garden. So what if we made this, I'm acting like this is my house, what if we cut this out and made this like a serving station? So you put your grill and everything here, and then you could just pass everything out the window, or people can pull up and have drinks right here. I think that would be cute. From the living room, we head up the stairs. And so this master bedroom has 3 windows and has 2 closets. And then I'll get up so you guys can see the view. Once you get in that backyard, you can kind of dig out and make it your own. The master bedroom has a Jack and Jill bathroom that is for the other bedrooms, but this one as well. And this is the one that has the full-size tub. Do you guys like my Beetlejuice outfit? I love this, being misguided. Okay, we continue. Out through this side of the bathroom, we're going to go to the second largest bedroom. So this is the middle-sized bedroom. And then we go into the 3rd bedroom. This bedroom is on the smaller side, so you could probably only fit a single-sized bed in here. I would make this a beauty room or an office so that I can sit and look at the sun all day. While Dale is upstairs actually showing the house to clients, I snuck away so that I can show you guys the last part of the house, and that is the basement. So once again, this is a 2-family house. There are 3.5 bedrooms upstairs, and then there's a full apartment down here. So if you live upstairs, you can rent the downstairs and make some money. So this is the full living area. You head to the kitchen. It has stainless steel appliances. You get a microwave, which is nice. Here's the space from the other side. I would kind of use this as a dining area, and then have like a couch and stuff over there. For 1 or 2 people, this would be perfect. And then this is the brand new bathroom. You have a full shower, and then you come to the bedroom. And the bedroom also has the exposed brick. And then you have the walkway with access to the backyard. So you just head out this door, head upstairs to the backyard.